What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today we are kicking off my RTR build on the 2024 GT. I cannot wait. I got to see an RTR spec vehicle just a few days ago at T-Pain's Drift Symphony event, and it sold me. So today we are going to be installing the front chin splitter from RTR. But before we install the splitter, let's take a look at it in the box. I'm super excited about this one, guys. I think it's really going to change the look of the front end of the car. The only thing I'm worried about, though, is that I have a rolled curved driveway and we might be scraping a little bit. So we'll see on that. Anyways, let's take a look at what you get in the box. And there it is, guys, just a big white box, nothing special here. I actually ordered this off of CJ Pony Parts because RTR, it was sold out on their site, and CJ's actually had it. So I did a little bit of cutting beforehand so we can just open it up, and there you go, bubble wrap. All right, get rid of that. There we go, guys. Looks pretty good. All right, out of the packaging, it looks pretty dang good. I got to see some of these in person here now on a few other folks' cars, and it just really does transform and make the front end of these S650s look so much more aggressive than factory. Now, I just have the base car. I have a very tiny little front lip on the car right now. It's pretty much nothing. So going from this to that should be pretty cool. I also have another part right there that I'm not going to show you right now, but it's going on the car in the next video, guys. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that little button down below and subscribe up to the channel because we got some cool stuff going on in the next couple weeks. All right, let's get to jacking the car up here and then we'll start installing. Now that the car is up in the air, we're gonna have to start taking out about 20-something little bolts underneath there. They're 7 mils, so I'm not messing around with the wrench. Using some automated help there. You're also gonna need a little prying tool to get the little fasteners, the little like push rivets off from under there. There's a few of those as well that hold that bottom tray on, and that'll allow it to come off. But yeah, quite a few 7mm holding this thing in there. So I'm gonna have to bring out the power tools for that one. So we're gonna start with the front part here, just 7 mils, nothing crazy. Hey. Yeah. Just like that. Set that off to the side. Cool. Then we just have a few more bolts underneath to get this front part off, and then we'll start like pulling this apart. You guys aren't going to be able to see under here, but there's 6 bolts, I believe, holding the stock splitter on here. We're going to remove those. Those should be 7mm as well. Probably going to need an extension though. So we're going to throw that on there and see if we can get them. This might be too big of an extension though. One. Yeah, way too long of an extension. Get a shorter extension. Don't get the long one like I did, okay? All right, bye. Got it. Also, if you own a flashlight, probably pretty good time to use it. I, for some reason, don't have one. I don't know where they all go. But, yeah, cool. All right, with those 6 bolts out of there, I think that is all that we have that's actually holding this in besides clips in the front. So we're just gonna have to pull out on this way. Hope we don't break nothing. And if we need to like kind of help work those clips out, I'll do it from the back side. But we'll get this one off and then it's just the opposite to install it. So pretty easy. Well, I forgot, you have 2 rivets on both sides on the inner here that you're gonna wanna take out. Right there. So if you don't take them out, you won't get off your factory splitter there, factory lip. Kind of important little note. Also kind of weird. What do you guys think this little rubber band is for up here? Huh? Check that guy out. I'm like, huh. I wonder, is that supposed to wrap around something up here just as like a preventative thing? I don't know. Woo! There it is. She's officially off. Man, that's a nice look right there. Not many people rocking it too. No lip, how's that? If you really want to stand out, guys, you gotta rock no lip at all. No worries about scraping nothing, anything like that. I guarantee you there won't be another one out there. Unless they ripped it off. Oh, guys, there we go. Now, we just gotta line it up and we'll just snap it in. Let's see, probably way easier to do this with 2 people, but not, shouldn't be too bad by myself. Ooh, it looks so good already. Oh my God, not even clipped in. After we kind of mocked it up on the car, I do want to mention that you do got to put these little clips in on the RTR version of the splitter that you're gonna have to steal from the OEM one. So you just pop that out with a little clip removal tool, super easy. They are in there pretty good, but yeah, we'll just transfer them over to this one. This allows those screws to tap in and secure the front chin splitter. So yeah, we're close, guys, we're close. Get it on, it's gonna be pretty epic. I'm definitely gonna scrape on the driveway though. That is for sure, unfortunately. Clips are in, we're ready to install, guys. So again, just gonna wanna be a little careful for sure. All right, she's clipped in. Now we gotta bolt it back together. We'll lower the car and take a final look at it. Things looking pretty cool, man. I love it. All right, guys, everything is installed again. We are fully completed here, and it's time to show you what this thing looks like. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Check it out. Well, guys, all I can say is wow. This definitely transforms the front of the car, and it is a great first step in our entire build to making this at least, I don't know what spec, but we are going full RTR on this build. This is the great first mod here. That front chin splitter definitely changes the look of the car, no doubt about it. Much more aggressive. Now, I didn't install, like I said, those 2 bottom pieces that RTR sells to kind of make it a little bit more rigid. So far it feels pretty good, but I might add those down the road. It would just, you know, make it a little bit more aerodynamic under there, and probably add to the rigidity of the entire thing as well. But honestly, guys, I'm super happy with how it came out. Pretty easy install, nothing too crazy there. If you have a lift, it's even easier, but on jack stands, it's not too bad. One other thing I wanted to say real quick is that, you know, I was kind of curious here how this would look in person without the side skirts or the rocker panel extensions, whatever they call them. And it doesn't look that bad, honestly. I think it'll be a great addition when we do the side pieces as well. But as far as right now goes, it's really not too noticeable that is slightly higher than this, at least in person. I'm not sure how it comes across in video. But yeah, in case you're looking to do this, I don't think you have to do it all at one time. I think the front chin splitter is more than enough to change the look of the front end, and you don't necessarily have to do the extensions on the side. And I can't wait to get the next modification on here as well, because the next one is more for the rear of the car, and I think you guys are gonna wanna see that as well. If so, hit a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Man, I'm impressed. Ha, you don't think I would leave you like that, did you? We gotta see if we make it out of the driveway. That's gonna be the funny bit of this whole thing, because it's a rolled curb driveway, and there's no way. There's no way.
You got about an inch.
All right, well, it made it pretty kind of okay. Better than I thought. anyways, guys, with all that being said, I hope you have a great day and I hope you enjoyed the video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.